The 2016 staging of Expo Jamaica was big. And this year promises to be even bigger. Over 350 manufacturers will display their products and services at the largest trade show of its kind in the Caribbean. Expo Jamaica 2018 will be held on April 19 to 22 at the National Arena and the National Indoor Sports Complex. The event will showcase the best of what the country has to offer, while expanding visibility and product distribution to local markets and those in the region and the world. It will be all things Jamaican, ranging from spices to agro-processing, baked products, pharmaceuticals, clothing, bedding, hotel accommodation, and so much more. The Expo provides the perfect marketplace for hundreds of new and repeat buyers to meet with local suppliers. A welcome engagement by manufacturers of past events.
It's helped because we've been able to connect with a few buyers from around the Caribbean and allowed avenues of distribution.
We got a lot of overseas inquiries, and we hope that we can actually turn these into something.
It has been really good, the feedback from the customers. They love the products and they would like to see us outside of these settings. Some people were interested in ordering uniforms for their schools.
It has done very good for me because already I've received comments from people, I've gotten persons who wants to buy.
Those were 2016's happy businesses. In all, 20 trade leads from that event were converted into business deals.
It's been a lot of good exposure for us.
I've met so many people who are in the same areas as we are that coordinate cohesively with all the products that we do.
The uptake from the market, the interest has also been phenomenal. So we're expecting a lot of demand for Spanish grain and Victoria Farms products through the supermarkets and distribution centers island-wide.
A new batch of exhibitors have that same opportunity this year.
You know, some businesses, their business model relies on the expo. Their business model expects them to come to Expo and they get business for the next 2 years. So it's critical for certain sectors.
Expo Jamaica is an every 2-year event with the broad vision of establishing the country as a manufacturing destination.
I think that Expo can more embody the true spirit of manufacturing. You know, Jamaica is not known widely for its manufacturing, and I think it's important that people start to see this as that, the showcase of real manufacturing in Jamaica, because we do have some great products on display here.
Now running for 46 years, the event is hosted by the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, the Jamaica Exporters Association, and JAMPRO.
Every year we see the expo growing and we see more and more companies coming on board, and I think it's a very positive thing for Jamaica.
If you have a small business, medium or whatever, this is the place.
Expo Jamaica 2018 is open to the public from April 20 to 22 at the National Arena and the National Indoor Sports Complex. Admission for persons 12 years and older is $800. Those 2 to 11 years will pay $200, and the little ones under 2 years can enter free of cost.